Hi everyone, my name is DB and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to make do-it-yourself hand sanitizer that is mathematically correct. Now folks, you just can't guess on the quantities of alcohol, aloe vera, hydrogen peroxide. It's all alcohol by volume. That's how we get 60% or higher, which is recommended by the CDC and the World Health Organization. So let's get started.
All right, first things first. I am not a medical doctor and I'm not offering medical advice. This video is intended for responsible adults. No one under 18 should try these steps at home. You may reference how to make do-it-yourself hand sanitizer from the Center for Disease Control or World Health Organization websites.
And what do we mean by alcohol by volume? Well, it's this bad boy here. This is EverClear. And no, you can't use vodka that's 40% alcohol by volume. This is 195% alcohol, 195 proof, and it's 95% alcohol by volume. What that means, folks, is by the liquid that's in here, how much liquid's in this bottle, 95% of that liquid is alcohol. Yes, it burns. So do not use this next to an open flame. You notice I'm in my living room. I don't want any kind of explosions today, but that's what alcohol by volume means. How much alcohol is in the entire amount of liquid that you're using. So this is 95% alcohol, which is the same thing as isopropyl alcohol. It's about 99%, or you can get some that's a little bit less. Now, please use that mathematical equation that I gave you. Or for people, well, the mathematical equation is being used for, let's say if you're adding more ingredients. Like here today, we're only using 2. 1 cup and then 1/2 cup. Now, if you're adding like hydrogen peroxide as well, like 2 or 3 tablespoons, and then you're adding other ingredients, that mathematical formula, you have to follow it. Because every time you add liquid, your alcohol volume comes down. So that's why you need to be very careful. I watched this YouTube video of this lady, bless her heart. That's what my mother says, bless your heart. She had a container and she was like, oh, I'm gonna pour a little bit of this and then I'm gonna pour a little bit of that. No. Because her alcohol content, I did the math, was at 40%. Because she was just pouring. You can't do that to remain safe and healthy in this pandemic that we're in today. If you get your alcohol concentrate wrong, then when you're trying to think you're sanitizing your hands and being safe, you're not. And the minute that you wipe your face, you have viruses on your face. And the hand sanitizer didn't kill anything. So please use the right measurements. So what you're going to need today is you're going to need 1 bottle of either isopropyl alcohol that's 99%, or you can get this only, no other alcohols that are 40% or 60%. It needs to be at least 95. I got this at Walmart. You can actually get this at your spirit store as well. We're going to need some aloe vera, and this is the kind that I had open, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. But I do have this that I bought about a week ago, and I love it. This is 100% organic, and it's 99.6% pure aloe vera. You can actually eat this. It's edible. So if you want to order this, I'll put a link in the description below, and you can use that. You'll need some bottles. I get these from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. You can get, comes in a pack of 3 for $1. That's pretty cheap. And then you can sanitize them, pour a little bit of this EverClear in there, swish it around, and then pour it out, or you can just pour it into a container that you're going to use. Now this is going to be a little bit of a liquid type hand sanitizer, so you could use a spray top bottle here if you want, because you can spray it. The reason it's going to be liquid is we're only using 2 ingredients, and we are not putting in fillers or any things to make it thicken, okay? We're keeping it super simple, and we're making a gel that is over 60% alcohol by volume, which is going to be safe. You'll need 1 cup of EverClear. You'll need 1/2 cup of Aloe Vera. You will need your handy dandy container to mix it in. You will need this, and stay tuned for the outtakes at the end. And you'll see why. So here, your container, you'll need your little towel here to catch all the messes you make. A funnel, of course, a whisk, and tape, pen, scissors, paper. Yes, we're gonna have to have those. All right, so are you ready? Let's get started. So I've already poured my EverClear in here, and you can ask me why on the outtakes. All you have to do is simply pour it in your container. Oh my gosh, it smells. Now you see why I said you can't use this near an open flame. If you could smell the fumes right now, that's why I'm in this living room. 1/2 cup of aloe vera. And then all we have to do is mix it up. I'll give it a gentle stir. And I'm using a whisk that has rubber on the side so it doesn't clank around and clank around. Yeah, I've already learned that the 5 other times I recorded this video. All right, so we've mixed it up. And now all we need to do is pour it into our bottle. It's a very tiny little opening, so make sure you get a funnel that'll go down in there really well. Now I'm not going to pour it all the way full. I'm just going to get as much in here as I can. There we go. And I did it again. That's why, folks, you need to have your handy dandy towel underneath. All right, so I've got my aloe vera and my EverClear in here. Very good. Now all I need to do is take my pen, paper, scissors, and tape, and I need to make a label. Yes, you make a label. Simply take your label, place it on here, and then no one will brush their teeth with it, or they'll gargle thinking that it is maybe a brand new type of antiseptic for their mouth, or they'll put it on their face or anything. Hand sanitizer, keep everyone safe. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and if you would please press the subscribe button on my, watch it be over here. Press the subscribe button wherever you see it, and of course in the bottom if you want to hit subscribe. Once you subscribe, you'll see a little bell icon. So tap on the icon, and that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And also use your finger and scroll all the way up until you get to the comments, and you will be able to leave a comment. I would love to see what you have to say. And you know what? Just wait for my next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Okay, for those of you who are watching, and I said I've probably done this about 5 times, this is how much liquid that I used up when I was making this video. Okay, hello everyone. I'm at this camera. Was it not recording that whole time? Oh.